Hello, my name is Chris Robertson. I'm the director for Salus North America. Today we are going to show you how to connect the Salus 4-zone wireless pump control panel to the Salus Controls Smart Home application, along with we're going to pair 2 zone thermostats to the wireless pump panel. The advantage of this system is you can take your control system and you can place, because the thermostats are wireless, communicate wirelessly to the pump panel, you can put the thermostats anywhere within the zone that's going to give you the best comfort for the facility. So the first thing, I have the Salus Smart Home app up in operation on my computer, and the first thing we're going to do is add the pump panel into the database. And to do this, the first thing that happens when this pump panel is powered up, it goes into identify mode or pairing mode. So on the computer, I'm going to go to the tab, click all devices, and then I'm going to see a button to add a new device, and then I'm going to scan for a new device. And you can see now the network light has gone from flashing red to solid red, which means the network has found the network. And on the computer, it shows up. I just click on the wiring center to add it into the database. So now I've added it into the network. And when you look at all devices, you will now see that this pump panel is added to the network. The next thing we want to do now is add one of the thermostats and connect it to the pump panel and add it into the network as well. So once we take the batteries out of the thermostat, it's going to come up into a screen that will ask you what type of device you want to connect it to. And in this case, it says relay center, which is what the pump panel is. So all I'm going to do is hit select, and it goes into joining mode with a 10-minute countdown. So the other thing I want to initiate is scanning for new devices. So now, once again, the network is looking for any devices in pairing mode. So now you can see on the thermostat, it's selected pump panel 1, and you can have up to 9 of these panels daisy-chained on the network. And now it's looking for zone 1 on controller 1. And that's, in this case, is I want to connect this to zone 1, so I'll hit select. So now it's going through a 5-minute countdown, and it's added this into as zone 1 for the panel. In the application, you'll see that the wireless radiant thermostat has shown up. So we again click, check the box, and we're now adding this thermostat into the database. In the meantime, if I just hit the gear button, you'll see that my thermostat tells me time, the temperature set point, humidity, and the ambient temperature in the room. If I increase the set point above the ambient temperature and then hit the gear, so now I've changed the set point on the thermostat to 76, and you see zone 1 came on, so we have it paired with zone 1 is a good confirmation. Now in the database, it's added the thermostat and is asking for a unique name for that thermostat. And now the thermostat's added into the database. So that's how easy it is to connect the thermostats to the pump panel and connect all of the equipment to the Salus Smart Home app. Thank you.